Okay, so hopefully you were able to get the static routing to work. Now we're going to go ahead and do dynamic routing, which is more scalable, and you're able to just add the networks and the routers are able to find that. So I have the same setup we used in the static routing, but I took that default route out, and we can confirm that by showing this PC can no longer ping 10.0.0.2. And so it's the same thing. Set up your PC, set up these gig 0/0 interfaces so you can ping between those, and then we'll go into the router. And I'm currently in the configuration mode, so we're gonna type in router. EIGRP is the routing protocol that we're going to use for this lesson, and so that's router EIGRP1. And then from here you're going to add the networks that this has. So the ones that are touching router 0, we're going to type in 192.168.1.0, and then network 1.1.1.0, and we're going to do no auto summary so that it doesn't cut these off at class A and class B routes. And let's go into the other one. We're currently in global config. You can see where I did the no IP route, so we took that off. And same thing here, router. And if you hit the question mark, you can see the routing protocols that there are. EIGRP and OSPF are commonly used for interior networks that are routing between a single owner network. So router EIGRP, you can see this is an autonomous system number. We just used one. This does have to match. So this one has to use EIGRP1 as well as EIGRP1 to talk to each other. Same thing over here. We're going to do the gig 0/1 network and the 0/0. So that is network 1.1.1.0. And now you can see that's an adjacency. So these routers are now talking on EIGRP1. Network 10.0.0.0. And no auto on this one as well. We don't want to cut that off as a Class A network. And now you can see in our routing table, this D shows that this is learning about this network over here, 192.168.1.0, from this router right here, 1.1.1.1. So let's go ahead and test this. And as you can see, we previously were not able to ping 10.1.10.0.0.2, and we're successful. So now that routing protocol is implemented, we would be able to go in here and add other interfaces and networks and just add to that routing protocol network, whatever that might be, and they would exchange routes and build those routing tables. So what I want you to do for the assignments is from your routers, just take a screenshot of this where you have all the green indicators showing that there's connectivity on each of the links, and then within one of your routers just do a show run and copy all of this into a text file, and I'll be able to load that into a router and test on my end. So I hope you find this useful, and let me know what you think.